how to create 9Anime account. So if you want to create 9Anime account, then first of all you need to open up a browser and then simply go for the search bar and search for 9Anime. And after searching, here you will have 9Anime. On the first search, click on that. And here you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And it will take you to the sign in page, right? So here you want to create your account, right? So if you want to create, then you can simply go for register, which is here on the bottom. Click on register. And after clicking on register, here on the first blank, you have to enter your name. And after entering your name, you have to enter your email address on the next blank. And after that, you have to create a password. And on the next blank, you have to again repeat your password. So make sure to enter a strong password. And after entering it, you can simply click on register. And after clicking on register, your account will be created. So that's it. That's how you create, or that's how you register to 9Anime account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.